Hey there, Lori Petrosino here. I wanted to create this quick tutorial because I'm getting a recurring question, and I realize that this is a topic that maybe you also need to know about so that you can use this tool in a quick pinch to figure out the denomination of a cryptocurrency versus your country's currency. So, for instance, if you live in the United States and you need to know how much Bitcoin you want for, let's say, $200 worth of USD, well, there's a really quick, easy way to find that out. You can do the same thing with Ethereum, same thing with Litecoin, and then you will have no more struggling trying to figure out the equivalent in cryptocurrency. So all you're going to do is go over to Google and simply type in price of Bitcoin. Click there. Scroll down and you can see BTC versus USD. So for instance, if you wanted $200 worth of Bitcoin and your country's currency is the US dollar, which you can toggle any of the other currencies here, then you can see you would need 0.0055 worth of Bitcoin. Now the same goes for different cryptocurrencies. So here, another common one that you can use and a lot of people are asking about is Ethereum. So here it is, it's Ether. So let's say you want $500 worth of Ether, then you know you need to use 0.25 of Ether. Now let's try another common one that a lot of people use, which is Litecoin. Okay, so let's say you want $400 worth of Litecoin, that would be 5.89 in Litecoin denomination. So I hope this helps. There are many other ways to do this, but this is a really quick way to get the answer that you need so you can move on with your transaction. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If these videos are useful to you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.